So now we're going to make our dressing, and we are going to use a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and I usually just get it over at Meijer's, Walmart, Kroger's, wherever. And we're going to do that. Put this on there. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you're just gonna, I'd start with a teaspoon. I just season to taste. Some oregano. Some pepper. Some seasoned salt. Some sea salt. Some mustard seed, some tarragon. Tarragon, I'd use a pinch. I wouldn't use a teaspoon. Sesame seed. Some fennel. Some poppy seed. Some basil. Onion powder. Red pepper flakes. And some Hungarian paprika, and we're going to garnish it with that too. Get my whisk out. Taste it. It's got a really good taste. And this is what it looks like. And then now we do bring our salad back over. That in the sink because I don't need that anymore. And we're going to put this on our salad. I'm just going to drape it around. Mix it real good. And it makes 1 cup servings. Calories are 188. Carbs is 12.4. Fat is 9.14. And protein is 10.28. Taste it. It has a really good taste. That's my lunch for next week. Very good. garnish it like this. And there you have it. A nice, healthy chicken salad. Again, the calories is 188. Carbs is 12.24. Fat is 9.14. And protein is 10.28. Stay tuned. We're going to make a healthy spaghetti for next week for our dinner. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and keep God and the angels in your life and stay healthy. Love you all. Bye.